In February 2023, Cyclone Gabrielle brought devastation to rural New Zealand on a scale not seen in decades. Roads were obliterated, bridges washed away, isolating communities from emergency services, food and infrastructure. With pressure mounting, the challenge was clear: reconnect critical routes fast. Cirtex was proud to play a key role in the recovery, working alongside WSP, Transport Recovery East Coast and local contractors. We deployed rapid, site-specific solutions using the MagnumStone system, a robust modular retaining wall product made right here in New Zealand. Building trust through collaboration, we were on site, rolling up our sleeves, drafting practical plans to get the ball rolling, eager to reconnect deeply affected communities across 4 main sites. North of Puterino along State Highway 2, the destruction of the small but vital bridge linking the east coast to Napier severely impacted supply chains, emergency access and daily life. With supply delays of an alternative big block system, we turned around a new MagnumStone design in 24 hours, with trucks full of blocks on the road the next day. Our reps were soon on site, guiding the design and install of abutments for the new bridge. For Ellis Wallace Road, it was about creating a lifeline for a farming community. Cirtex aided in the design of 2 permanent MagnumStone MSC abutments to support a temporary bridge, built to remain once the permanent bridge was in place. As the site geometry evolved, our team worked closely with WSP to adapt the design in real time. The result, a durable, flexible solution that restored access and stabilised a rural economy. At the infamous Devil's Elbow bend, though the culvert remained intact, both sides of the road were compromised. On the outer edge, Cirtex delivered a gravity wall design to widen the road for traffic. On the inner slope, a curved MSE wall was engineered, installed with small machinery from within the riverbed to keep workers safe. WSP needed a fast turnaround concept and we delivered, supporting them with a range of products that could be quickly delivered and installed. With slope protection, revegetation matting and integrated drainage, the design ensured long-term resilience, keeping this challenging section safe and stable. Crownthorpe required a more technical approach. On both sides of the river, the abutments were intact, but the approaches were gone. Our MagnumStone MSC designs were customised for variable foundations and tieback constraints. Delivered with speed, MagnumStone allowed crews to safely work around rising water levels without delay. These weren't just block walls, they were bridges to recovery, designed fast, built strong, delivered with care. Each site was different, each solution unique, yet the outcome was the same, with roads reopened, connections restored, and communities supported. If disaster strikes again, we're ready. Overnight designs, trucks on the road within 24 hours, a proven system, a committed team, and a solution you can trust for the next 100 years. Cirtex, rapid response, reliable results.